In today's environment, software development companies often face challenges like unrealistic timelines, huge development costs, lack of skilled resources, programming multiple lines of code, resolution of bug fixes in a timely manner, inability to deliver applications as scheduled. TechRev alleviates these challenges through our developer tool, Developer Efficiency Workbench or DO. DO enables developers to quickly convert business ideas into working cross-platform applications with 50% of the resources. DO is a single developer tool for building services, UI, and business logic with exclusive features like entities, query builder, flow programming, UI designer, data binding, external services integration, reports and charts, widgets, application settings, code generation, and much more. Our developer tool, DO, defines a new way to engage software developers in reaching new heights in terms of productivity by generating fully customized, scalable, and uniform code, leaving no room for human error. DO not only enables organizations to save more than 50% on development time and cost, but it also ensures that senior programmers do not have to learn new languages and framework to generate business applications. Create uniform software code. Planning to switch your development process to DO? Sign up for the best in-class application development experience today. Create enterprise application software in hours.